feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
A slow fetal heartbeat at 6 weeks could be a concern but doesn't always indicate a problem. A normal heart rate at this stage is usually above 100 beats per minute. If the heart rate is consistently slow, closer medical monitoring might be required to ensure the fetus's health. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice and follow-up care.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.